Okay, not that I want to rub it in or anything, but let's open up an existing part made in Solidworks. This was a sheet metal part, so we'll open that and tell it what template to use as it's opening. Okay, now we got this simple sheet metal part that was created in SolidWorks, brought in through the parasolid, and now it lands in Synchronous. We can just tell it to make this thin part. We're assuming that it has an equal thickness all the way around. Tell it to make it into synchronous sheet metal, and so now we can we should be able to grab an edge here and pull a flange. Okay, or we can grab, a face like this, reorient the steering wheel, and change the direction of the flange. Okay, and the holes go with it. Okay, we can make any sort of changes we want to this sheet metal part. We could add a flange there if we want, or what I want to do here is change the angle of this face. You can also change this dimension. So if we make this 0.3 instead, all of the tangent follows with it. That's something that you're going to have a very hard time doing that with an imported part in SolidWorks, especially with these tangents on it. In any case, I just wanted to show you that, and we can be done.